Resolution of Citizen Grievance. The purpose of this training is to demonstrate how to resolve the citizen complaints by the officers of the respective departments. Please follow these steps in order to take necessary action for a citizen complaint. Step 1. Log into the PGRS application. www.governance.punjab.gov.in. Please contact State Nodal Officer of your department to get the user ID and password of the PGRS application. Enter your user ID and password, then click on Submit button. Step 2. You will be redirected to home page. A screen will appear with the list of pending grievances for which action has to be taken. There is an action button in blue dot rectangle in the last column of the grid. Every grievance has a blue dotted button for taking necessary action against it. Please click on the blue dotted button of that particular grievance row. A link with the details will be shown. After clicking on details, a new screen will appear. The new screen will contain the following information: citizen information, complaint details, and complaint history. Now you are required to click on the Click to Take Action button to take necessary action against the grievance. After clicking on this button, a page section will appear. Now you are required to select an appropriate action, provide your comments, upload any attachment related to that grievance, and click on Submit button to complete the action. You are required to perform the same sequence of steps for all other grievances. Please note, your action shall be viewed by citizen and other officers of the PGRS application of your department. The grievance application also provides some important information. Dashboard. This will display the summary of grievances pertaining to your department. History. The grievances for which action has already been taken shall be shown here. Add grievance. In this menu, you can also add grievance on behalf of a citizen. Reports. Here you can generate various reports as per your need and requirement. In the settings menu, there is a provision to change password.